Okay, so this will be the next phase. So since I moved, obviously, dust collection over there, I also, rather than plugging the saw in here, I'm going to come off of this outlet and I'm going to go all the way up, maybe over and up, I don't know. So I'm going to basically route an outlet over onto that wall. Now, unfortunately, my saw my saw cable is not long enough to reach over there, so I'll just use an extension cable, but I'll just mount it on the wall, probably a piece of wood, and then mount the electrical box there. By the looks of it, I'll run it straight across this brace. That way I can drop it straight down here. So anyhow, I'm going to get started with that. See if I can keep from electrocuting myself. Here we go. Alright, so I fumbled through that. We're all good. Got the breaker back on. I have the cover off of the box for, excuse me, another reason, not this. I know I could have just turned the breaker off without it, but anyhow, got the wire finished. Coming straight off this. Had a little bit of problem with the ground wire, but luckily I had some copper, I don't even know what you call them, to put on the ground wire, but of course it goes all the way over, drops into the new box. And this is just, I mean, this is not good looking at all. I haven't attached this to the wall. In fact, I wanted it away from the wall just because, well, I don't want it even messing with it right there. I really didn't even like putting the board there, but I knew I had to. So tested it out, turned the saw on a second ago, and like I was saying, the power cord wasn't long enough to run straight to this, so I'm using an extension cord, a really heavy duty extension cord, which it was on before, but draped across all the way where the dust collection is now. But I'm pretty happy about that. I've been wanting to do that for a long time, so I've got this outlet and this outlet, just in case I wanted to use something, I don't know what. So anyhow, that's it. Pretty happy. Next will be dust collector outlet, I believe, which means I'll have to, I've got enough cable. Surely I've got enough. Seems like there was something else. Oh yeah, I put this off center. I started out I was going to put it in the center of the board, but I put it off center because I'm thinking, you know, what if I put, I don't know, something on this side. So I left it open. So all right, no issues except for the ground wire and the outlet, and that's just the way it goes. So on to the next one.